Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As I was talking yesterday in my video, the weather wasn't really nice, so I took my my green Fiat for a little drive, and I did use the time to do some little changes to the car, and let me show you them. So obviously I switched from the regular all-season tires to the summer wheels. The difference obviously is quite visible, as this is a steel rim with 12-inch, and the summer tires are on 13-inch aluminum tires. They're a little bit wider than the others, but basically there's no problem with driving the car, so everything is the same as with these tires. The color is maybe a subject to change because they really don't fit the car as they are right now, and I'm thinking of going with black on these rims. So that's the first thing I did. Another thing that I did was to swap the covers from the taillights. As you may recall from my other videos, the original ones, sorry for that, the original ones were these colors, so the downside was red and the upside was orange. Obviously I need those in order to get my technical okay for the car, because those are not the regular ones, so therefore I wouldn't get the approval to drive the car on the streets. So I changed them for now. Obviously I will change them in the future. And one last thing I did yesterday was to install the heat baffle. Obviously it's this part now painted black. I had it removed a couple of months prior. I don't remember exactly why. However, it was red because I have put it out from the car back when it was red, and so it didn't match the car, and therefore I haven't it mounted until yesterday. So I painted it black. Now it's back in the car, and as you just saw, the entire engine compartment is orange. It does look really good because it goes with the car, but for me it seems that it's too orangey, and I'm thinking of changing the color. And as the heat baffle is now black, I'm thinking about painting the engine cover black as well. So I hope you like this short info about the current status of the car. As always, hit the like button, leave your comments down below, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for information about new videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.